Welcome to Saber PNR creation tutorial. This is the keyboard layout for special characters, used only for Sabre Red 360. Cross of Lorraine is used as a separator between qualifiers in an entry and as a plus sign. Change key is used to modify or delete segments, and to calculate information. Also used for direct access error availability. End item key is used to combine multiple entries. Display key displays information when combined with other characters. This is the list of important keys we will use to create PNR in Sabre. These are the 5 mandatory elements to create PNR. PNR is the abbreviation of passenger name record. Let's learn how to make a PNR with these elements. Flight availability command starts with number 1, followed by date of departure, origin, and destination. To check availability for specific airline, you can use Cross of Lorraine with airline code. In availability search results, you can view the line number, airline code, flight number, number of seats for each booking class, in different cabins, origin, destination, departure time, arrival time, equipment type, non-stop indicator, and total travel time. To see flight details, click on Flight panel. Here, complete flight information is displayed. Select the number of passengers. Maximum 9 passengers can be selected. Select the booking class. And click on Sell. 2 seats are sold successfully. Let's add the name of adult passenger. The name should always be as per passport. Start adding the name with hyphen followed by family name / first name with title. Now, add the name of child using same format. The passenger above 2 years and below 12 years is considered as child. We will use command display alpha to display all the elements of current PNR. Note down the name number of child passenger. Add passenger display type code for child and associate with child name number. This step is mandatory to quote child fare. Now, we will add the name of infant. Start with hyphen I/ followed by name. A passenger below 2 years old is considered infant. Recall command history to create infant SSR. Add 3 INFT/ before family name. Replace display sign with /. And associate infant with adult passenger name. Display all the elements of PNR. We will add contact, starting with number 9, and phone number. Now, we will add ticketing arrangement element. Received from element will start with number 6, followed by free flow text. Use ER command to end transaction and retrieve PNR. GDS record locator is created. PCC agent login, time and date of PNR creation. with GDS record locator are displayed here. Airline record locator is still pending. We will use IR command to ignore and retrieve PNR. Now, we have received airline record locator. To ignore the PNR, we will use IG command. We'll learn about optional elements in next video. These are some of the useful commands. To create Saber PNR.